In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Word documents into Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a Word file onto a Confluence page, choose how it appears, and publish your changes with confidence. First, open your Confluence site and sign in. Make sure you're in the space where your page will live and that you have permission to create or edit pages. If you're not sure about access, check with your site administrator before you start. You can add your Word document to a brand new page or place it on an existing one. To create a new page, select Create from the top navigation to open the editor. If you'd rather attach the file to a page that already exists, open your space, navigate to the page you want, and click Edit. Either route takes you into the editor where you can work with content and attachments. Inside the editor, look for the option to add media or files. This is the icon that lets you attach images, videos, and documents. Click it to open the Insert menu. Confluence gives you two ways to bring in your Word file: by link or by uploading the file directly. If your document is already hosted somewhere accessible, choose the link option and paste the URL. This keeps the item referenced from its original source. If the file is on your computer, choose the file option and select Upload to attach it directly to the page. Confluence will add the document to the page's attachments and place it where your cursor is. Next, decide how you want it to appear. You can display it inline, which places a preview or embedded view directly in the page flow so readers can see it without leaving the page. This is great for quick reviews or when you want the document to be part of the reading experience. Or choose the card display, which shows a compact attachment card with the file name and details that users can click to open or download. Cards keep pages tidy when you have multiple files or want a cleaner layout. When everything looks right, save or publish your page to make the change visible to others. After saving, give the page a quick check to confirm the file appears where you expect and opens correctly. A few tips as you work: use the docs format for best results, keep file names clear and versioned, and remember that the file lives as an attachment on that page so it's easy to update later. That's it. You've successfully imported a Word document into Confluence.